I'm about to read this. You what an ugly girl. Roses are red, violets are blue. If God made me beautiful, what happened to you? If God made you beautiful, He made a huge mistake. Roses are red, violets are blue. If I flushed the toilet, I remember you. You're so ugly that even a mirror hates you. You're so ugly that Snapchat or Instagram or a beauty filter can't hide your ugliness. I'd rather get hit by a truck than look at your face. I'd rather die than looking at your ugly roaching face. Shut up. I don't shut up. I grow up, and when I look at you, I grow up. You're coming back as ugly you are. You are. No, you're wrong. No, you're wrong of choosing how you look like over your mother. Oh, please, you're stupid like you. You don't know how to spell you. I can prove it. You. Wow, you spelled it right. I'm impressed. I'm impressed about your ugliness. I bet you get so many beeps. Nag-rage quit.